In a cozy kitchen, a girl with twinkling eyes dreamed big. Today, she wanted to create something special, a cake celebrating precious bonds. She gathered her friends around. Each ingredient held a sweet promise. Kindness poured like honey, while laughter sparkled like fairy dust. Their enthusiasm fizzled. "Oh no!" exclaimed the baker. The essential ingredient was missing. Panic danced in the air. "Let's use salt instead," he laughed, eyes twinkling. The suggestion sent giggles swirling. Could it really work? They each took a taste. Surprise crinkled their faces like crumpled paper. Salty sweetness? Not quite what they imagined. "Let's ask Mrs. Brown," she proposed, giggles bubbling up again. With a hopeful heart, they skipped across to the neighbor's door. In moments she appeared, sugar in hand. Her laughter danced like wind chimes. "Persistence adds sweetness," she proclaimed, wisdom shining. Back at the bowl, chaos reigned. Flour puffed like clouds and giggles filled the air. Each mishap wove their bonds tighter. The timer rang. Out came the lumpy cake, a beautiful mess of flavors. They beamed, proud of their quirky creation. They sliced the masterpiece, crumbs tumbling. With every bite, smiles widened. This was no ordinary cake. It was their friendship baked into each layer. Laughter erupted as sprinkles took flight. They danced in the kitchen, joy spilling over as wildly as the ingredients. Sitting amidst the crumbs, they shared stories, hearts aglow. In the end, it was their sweet journey that truly tasted like friendship.